Hi, Judith May. I just wanted to share a little bit from the balcony here of my hotel room in Stockholm, Sweden, the last day of our leadership trip. I spent an incredible week with leaders of our company, and what I was reflecting on is the beauty of seeing other parts of the world, the different cultures, and the way people think, the way people act, dress, talk. It's just really amazing, and I enjoy traveling the world. And I just wanted to let you know that if you're struggling to build your business, that don't feel that you're all alone. Okay, many years ago I felt that same way until I reached out and looked for a mentor, a coach, somebody that would tell me the truth. And that makes all the difference in the world, because when you have somebody that's honest with you and they're not just there to see how much their paycheck can be, then you know that you have somebody there that's really going to help you to build your business. Must be a busy evening for the airport, and as you can tell, another jet going by. But if you would like to have some help, feel free to contact me. My information will be across the bottom of this video, or you'll see me out there on Facebook. Just look me up and contact me. We'll set up a time where we can talk and chat and see what I can do to help you. Because dreams do come true. And, all you have to do is reach out. Ask for the help. Let somebody know where you're struggling. And just be honest with yourself when somebody tells you the truth. Because you know what? The truth, it may hurt, may not be what you like to hear, but it's definitely going to help you get on that right path and right direction to where you're experiencing the success that you know you deserve. So, we'll be in touch, and see you around on Facebook and other social networking sites. Talk to you soon.